It's very lightweight, compact, travel-friendly, with a peak 25-watt glow using 112 high-density chips. It provides a much-needed key light for videos, or if you need a bright light in complete darkness, and that is really bright. It has an easy design with dials on here to quickly and efficiently adjust the brightness levels and color temperature. And it goes from a warm 2700K to a cool 6200K. It has a quarter thread mount on the bottom for mounting, and the Dynavort cooling system, where it has vents around the sides and a really nice and quiet fan. This will keep it from overheating. It also comes with a custom fit silicone cover for a nice diffuser, just keeping that light evenly dispersed on your skin. There are two 2000 milliamp hour batteries in here, giving 30 minutes on full power, or if you have it plugged in with that USB-C, you can use it continuously. Something like this is perfect for those on-the-go shoots if you're traveling and maybe you're doing stuff at nighttime, maybe you're urban exploring and you need that extra bright light, or if you just need a really quick key light, this thing will have you up and running in seconds.